Welcome once again to Unboxing Unscripted Unfiltered, and we have another box here coming from our great friend El Tang of Zelos. So let's open this up, and here it is. I don't know which color of Helica this will be, so let's find out because sometimes El sends us a specific model. He intended to send a specific colorway or a specific size, but he ends up not sending that depending on the availability. So let's see what's available this time around. And there we have it. It's an actual Helica. Wait, let me just remove this. And it's the actual one that he said that he'll be sending out. And we got this purple Helica. This is the new model that they are releasing. It's a smaller version. This one is, if I'm not mistaken, 39 millimeters. So this is the Vesper dial, and this Vesper combination, the purple and with that teal combination, is one of the signature of Zelos. We've seen this in numerous models, and it's a combination that many people love, but I honestly, personally do not prefer. I don't like the color purple as much. There are certain tones of purple that I like, but this one with the teal is not so much. But it does not detract on the quality and craftsmanship of Zelos. We've seen Zelos has been improving a lot in their manufacturing and in their designs, and of course we could expect no less from one of the grandfathers of microbrands in our current watchmaking space. And look at that. That bracelet is another winner to me. It evokes a little bit of the royal oak because of those 5-link structure, and it's very flat, very flat. There's some play in there, which is not bad, of course. That helps out with the articulation. And speaking of articulation, look at this. That is a very articulate bracelet. This is one of the highlights of Helica, or this version of Helica, if you ask me. And look, there's some polished chamfers in there, and a little bit of a curving. Very, very nice touch there. I like that. Let's see also this brand new clasp. This I saw in the forums, but let's ignore the sticker for a moment. And this is a butterfly clasp with remove that sticker there, with the emblem as the capper there. And the thing about this new clasp is that it has micro adjusts here. Okay, I don't know if it's supposed to be. Oh, okay, let me see how that's gonna function. I'm yet to understand how this functions. It's supposed to just pull out. Let me see. Oh, okay. So it's okay. So that's an unusual clasp mechanism. So you're not supposed to pinch both of them. You're just supposed to pinch one side, and it pops out. That is a very unusual. Oh, it also hinges. That's a very unusual mechanism. So let's see if it has some half measures. Oh yeah, it has a half notch there. Okay, so that's that's 3 different notches. There you go. 3 different steps of micro adjust on one side, and another one on this side. Okay, very unusual. So you're not supposed to pinch on both sides. That's an unusual style of micro adjust. Of course, you have the quick release end links. The quick release spring bars are there. You can see there more of them. Oh, look at that. Very nice case back. Let's remove the sticker. Let's take that sticker out. Okay, very fine milling there. That's likely CNC. It's very crisp. I don't think this is pressed. That is CNC, very crisp. And this one is 150. That's the Vesper Helica 139. That's a Let's check it out. Let's put it back into its place. See how easy or how hard it is to put back. Okay, it still needs some nails and some nimble nimble handling there. Okay, so I'll just cut it and then let's put it back into its place. Okay, now let's put it on my wrist. Let's try it out. I did not resize it as of yet. Okay, and as you can expect, it has a great deal of articulation there. Oh, look at that light plane, very nice. And 39 is, of course, the ideal size for my 6 1/4 inch wrist. And from here, you can admire that guilloche dial. This is machine guilloche, of course, not hand guilloche. Don't expect that, otherwise you'll be looking at thousands and thousands of dollars of a watch. But this is not one of those. These are very affordable. At their website, it's going to be $4.99 to pre-order. It's a 45mm lug, 10.5 millimeter thickness, to 20 lug width, and 100 meters of water resistance. And of course, it's a box sapphire crystal. Wow, look at that distortion too, very nice. Signature of Zelos, you can see it's a really tight profile but very angular, and it's really, I like that that really thick raised bezel, and you could see that it also tapers down to the case. Very nice, simple, small touches of Zelos. Let's try out the Lume. Let's charge that up a little bit. Turn off the lights. And let me turn off my iPod slide. Okay, let's charge it up a little bit again. Well, as many of you would expect, some of these colored looms, they're not really that bright, but for Zelos, because they have a lot of surface area that they could cover, theirs are very decent and actually very powerful and very potent compared to many micro brands. Elshan made sure of that. He always tests these looms very nicely. Very nice. I like it. So, what do you guys think about the new Helica 39? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And the good, interesting comments will make it into the actual video review. So, keep an eye on that. I'm not going to make it for that launch day to release that review video. I'm telling you right now, because I'm still backlogged with many watches, but for sure I'm going to work on this as soon as possible. So all of those interesting comments, like I always do, will make it in to the actual video review. Again, this is the Helica 39.